Hello Wanderers. Today we are doing another one-take review, and this is a little bit of a different review because we are trying a new style. This isn't a bag review, this is a gear review, and we are reviewing here not an iPhone, but an iPhone case. This is the MagBak iPhone case on an iPhone 12. They make them for all different kinds and styles of iPhones and some other phones. I have the wallet and the case. All right, so first off, I do want to show you the case has in it a little kind of magnet panel. It says it is patented, patented technology. Has the list of the patent. And the reason why I wanted to share this phone with you is this has become an indispensable part of my everyday carry. So why is it such a big deal? Because these magnets are, just flat out incredible. So one of the best things about magnets is the clickiness of them, the snap to it of the magnet. Is the magnet clicky is one of my most important questions to ask about magnets in general. It's easy to slip this case onto the iPhone, fits like a glove, and it will snap onto any metal surface. So piece of gym equipment, snap, no problem. So I brought a couple of magnets, and they will snap right here. Right here, there's a connection point at the bottom and a connection point at the top. And you can also have a connection point at the side so that you can snap it on horizontally or vertically. So this case costs about $40. The wallet as well costs about $40. Should you get the wallet? I think so. So what you can do with this wallet is you can use it as a stand in landscape or in portrait. And again, it's almost just a fidget tool. It's really clicky and it's fun to mess around with. It sticks to the phone better than the MagBak technology that comes, better than the magnet, the MagSafe technology that comes with the Apple phone to begin with. And it's easier to get cards in and out of than that magnet wallet from Apple. So I wanted to share this with you. It's a short review. I think you will really enjoy this. There's no downside to this except for the price of that wallet is a little absurd for what it actually is. But the tool is wonderful. It also comes with two magnetic strips that you can place in your car, snap it to your dash, or anywhere else where you need it to be able to be stuck up, say maybe your kitchen backsplash or something else. I snap this phone frequently to my microwave, to the refrigerator, to the side of my truck, to any place where you would need to slap your phone, watch a video, be hands-free for a moment. Again, great product. I'll put the link in the description. This is not a sponsored deal. This is just a great piece of gear that I thought you should know about. Thanks, Wanderers. Like the video, subscribe. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.